in at this point of time that Sukhbir Badal has been attacked, and this has happened in Nanded. This is preliminary information that's now coming in of an attack on Sukhbir Singh Badal. We are also getting information that in this attack, one cop has also been injured. This is the latest. We are awaiting more information, but we can confirm to our viewers right now that Akali Dal chief Sukhbir Singh Badal has been attacked. Rucha is with us on the phone line. Rucha, what is the latest breakdown, all the details?
Shiromani Akali Dal President and former Punjab Deputy CM Sukhbir Badal has reportedly been attacked near Mata Sahib Gurudwara in Maharashtra's Nanded, and he has been immediately rushed to a private hospital for the further treatment. We are also learning that a police personnel who was there as a security for him has also sustained several injuries in the incident, and the attack took place near the Mata Sahib Gurudwara area, which is in Nanded this morning, and he had also shared a video while he was taking blessings inside the Gurudwara, and right after that this attack has been reported. The Badal's condition currently is still awaited. We are yet to track any developments about his health as of now, but he has been rushed to the nearest private hospital for the further treatment.
So let's quickly recap all the information, everything that we know so far. What is confirmed is that Sukhbir Singh Badal, Shiromani Akali Dal's president and the former Deputy Chief Minister of Punjab, was attacked in Nanded Sahib. This happened in the afternoon. He reportedly sustained an injury to his arm and was taken to the hospital. So these are details that we can confirm right now. This happened at around 2 in the afternoon. This is a developing story. We are waiting for more information. But what is not independently confirmed yet is the identity of the attacker, the method used, the motive, the sequence of events. We are still awaiting more clarity whether there was one attacker or more, the precise severity of Sukhbir Badal's injuries. We are also awaiting more information on that. We are also getting to know that there was also one policeman who's been injured. Let's go across to Pratibha, my colleague, who's with us, tracking all those developments. Pratibha, it's over to you.
Right, Sagrika, thank you for getting us all those details. Now, more information coming in. The Akali Dal chief has been attacked, and the security personnel are also said to have been injured in this attack. He has now been shifted to a private hospital. The attack took place in Nanded. As of now, only sketchy details coming in. We're still awaiting more information on the attacker, but the information available suggests that he has now been taken to the hospital immediately. The former Punjab Chief Minister was in Nanded. My colleague Rucha is getting us these details. Rucha, what are the details available? We understand that as of now only preliminary investigation has been conducted. But any more details coming in? Was there one attacker, more than one attacker? What do we know about this attack?
As of now, the police is taking the matter into their hands. The investigation has already started. That what was the intent behind attacking Mr. Badal, and why was he attacked? Who all were present there, and was he someone that was from Maharashtra's Nanded locality, or how long he had been planning, and what was the way he was attacked? We are yet to get any update on the same. But now that the police have also been informed, and as we are learning that one of the cops who was also present among his security team was also injured in this entire incident, and after taking blessings inside the Mata Sahib Gurudwara, he was attacked, and he had even shared a video of the same on his social platforms after taking blessings. He was also accompanied by several political leaders from Maharashtra, including the Vikhe family, Radhakrishna Vikhe Patil, and we are learning that huge security force was also deployed for his security, but even with the security being present there, this attempt was made, and after the attack, he was immediately rushed to a private hospital for the further treatment. But a cop has also been reported injured in this attack, who was trying to protect Mr. Badal. So as of now, we are learning that he is undergoing the treatment at a hospital, and the police personnel is also rushed to the similar location.
Okay, all right. So the former Deputy Chief Minister of Punjab was in Maharashtra. He has been attacked and now taken to the hospital. The assailants are yet to be identified. Rucha, any more details on his health condition? We are told that he was immediately taken to the hospital after the attack.
We are yet to get any update on his health condition. What was the way he was attacked? Was that any sharp object with which he was attacked, or whether it was any other way that was used to attack him? Was it any chemical that was put on him? We are yet to get any confirmation on that. But what we are learning that he is currently injured and is taken to the private hospital. It is also concerning because considering the security that the Gurudwara usually has, it is a well-known location, very famous Gurudwara from Maharashtra's Nanded locality, which already has several security personnel present there. So it is to be seen whether was it someone from his team or someone from the Nanded Gurudwara who had already planned this attack, how he would enter or breach the security, and despite being lots of security personnel present there, how was this attempt made? It will be the part of the investigation, and what we are learning as of now is that he is taken to the nearest hospital and is undergoing treatment. Also, while he was attacked, the police tried to secure him or keep him safe. While doing that only, the police personnel was also attacked, has sustained several injuries, and after which the both have rushed to the nearest hospital for the treatment.
Okay, all right. Rucha, for a better understanding of our viewers on the Gurudwara itself, what are the details? In fact, we're also playing out these visuals. These are just moments after the attack where we can see a lot of security personnel with him. So he was moving with security cordon, and you also mentioned the Gurudwara in itself also usually sees a lot of security outside. So can you give us more information on the Gurudwara, the area where this attack took place? Okay, we'll try and reconnect that line with Rucha in just a moment. Sukhbir Singh Badal has been attacked in an attack. The former Punjab Deputy Chief Minister was attacked in Nanded. These are the visuals, just moments after the attack when he was rushed to the hospital. We're still awaiting more details on the assailants. The attack took place in Nanded. He has been taken to the hospital. We're also waiting details on the attack, on the extent of injuries that he has sustained as well. So the Akali Dal president was in Nanded. He visited the Gurudwara. My colleague Paras is joining us over the phone line with more details. Paras, what are the details of the attack? What have the police officials revealed so far?
So right now there is no official thing from the Nanded police right now, but the initial information which has came into light is Sukhbir Singh Badal attacked in Nanded and has been rushed to a private hospital. One cop has been also injured in this attack. Nanded Sidmon Akali Dal President and former Punjab Deputy Chief Minister Sukhbir Singh Badal was attacked near the Mata Sahib Gurudwara in Nanded today. The incident has been described as a potential fatal assault. Following the attack, Badal was rushed to private hospital for treatment. The police personnel were also injured. Further details about it is still awaiting, and it will be very important how police will react on this, because this was an attack which happened today morning itself, and now police are investigating into this entire matter. But
Okay.
there is no official thing which has come into light by the Nanded police till now.
Okay, all right. Paras, thank you for joining us. Rucha is also back with us. Rucha, any more details coming in on the extent of injuries or the motive? But before I come to you, we have more details coming in. Official statement now being issued by the police officials on the attack. This is the first statement from the Nanded police on the attack, and the police officials have issued their first statement on the attack. In fact, Rucha, what are the details? What have the police officials said? I'll come to you in just a moment. My apologies, Rucha. Stay with us. We have Mr. Bikram Singh Majitia joining us on the phone line. Thank you for joining us. Bikram Singh Majitia ji, what are the details that you are aware of at the moment? We're told Sukhbir Badal has been attacked in Nanded. All right, we'll try and reconnect that line. Rucha is with us. Rucha, what are the details of the police statement issued?
Well, the investigation is underway, and it is also important to see whether this was a pre-planned attack, because what we are learning from our sources, this was an attempt for a fatal attack, and as of now, we are yet to learn the condition, the health condition of Mr. Badal. And in the morning itself, he had reached Nanded and had reached to the Mata Sahib Nanded Gurudwara, and after seeking blessings also, he had posted several videos on social platforms. He was also accompanied by several political leaders from Maharashtra. So there was a tight security in the premises or around him. And even this Gurudwara is a well-known location where lots of security personnel are already deployed. But considering him coming there, there was additional security also provided. But despite all that, this attempt was made, and it is part of now investigation that how many people were there when the attack was attempted, and who had initiated, and what was the intent behind it, and how long it was being planned, or any of the people who were the staff from the Gurudwara are also part of it. That will also be inquired in this entire investigation. But as of now, as per the health conditions of Mr. Badal, we are yet to get any official information from the hospital where he was rushed to. And while the attack attempt was made, when he was also surrounded by several police officials, Maharashtra Police Corp has also sustained several injuries in this incident, and both of them, Mr. Badal and the police security personnel, has now been rushed to the private hospital in Nanded. We are yet to get any update on the health condition, but since we are learning that the attack was intended to be a fatal one, so it will also be seen that what sharp object or any kind of gun was used, or how this attempt was made. And the police officials are also currently tracking the developments through the CCTV cameras, or the people present there are trying to track the persons, or was there anyone who had attacked, or was there a group that is also being investigated. And we are also expecting that immediate action must have been taken, since there was also already several police officials present there. So even if the attack was made right there, the person who had made this attempt would definitely be caught by now, is what we are expecting. We are yet to get any official information from the authorities, but this is a serious case that is coming from Maharashtra's Nanded, where a senior leader, Akali Dal chief, has been attacked.
Okay, so the assault took place in the vicinity of the historic Gurudwara. Rucha, you did mention, of course, that only sketchy details are available at this point. We're also playing out visuals just moments after this attack. But any more details on the nature of injuries that have been caused, or any motive for this attack?
Well, the official statement that is coming from the Nanded police tells that he has sustained injuries on his hand. That is something that we are learning from our sources, that his hand has been injured, and the police official was also injured who tried to protect him. So that is something that's a relief at this point, because only his hand was injured is what we are learning from the hospital or the police authorities. And the investigation is currently underway, and he is already undergoing the treatment in Nanded. A private hospital is where both the police security personnel and Mr. Badal have been taken to. And this very morning, Mr. Badal had arrived at Nanded, and he had gone to seek blessings at Mata Sahib Nanded Gurudwara, which is a very well-known location station with high security always deployed there, and amongst all that this attempt was made, but fortunately what we are learning is that his health condition is better as of now. His hand is what was injured in this attack, and the police official and Mr. Badal are currently undergoing the treatment. The police have already initiated the investigation with lots of Maharashtra police already present there. The attacker must be caught by now is what we are learning from our sources, and the police officials are already checking the CCTV footages, the entrance, the barricading is already deployed there. High security has also been placed in the premises of that particular Gurudwara, so that it will be seen that how this attack was made, how long it was being planned, and with what object or any other material was used to attack Mr. Badal. And the intent behind that is yet to be clear. That will be the part of the investigation, why he was attacked, why this entire scenario happened is now will be revealed in the investigation. But as of now, we are learning from the hospital and from the police officials of Nanded that he has sustained injuries on his hand as of now.
Okay, all right. So he is out of danger. He has sustained injuries to his hand, but this is not the first time that he has been attacked. In fact, we're also playing out visuals of the previous attack on him, an assassination attempt that was made on the Punjab former Deputy Chief Minister Sukhbir Singh Badal at the entrance of the Golden Temple in Amritsar. This was in December 2024. He escaped unhurt, and he was serving penance given by Shri Akal Takht while sitting on a wheelchair at the entrance when the attempt was made. Swati is also joining us on the broadcast. Swati, now visuals also coming in of Sukhbir Badal just moments after the attack. As Rucha was pointing out, he is said to be out of danger, undergoing treatment at the hospital currently.
Absolutely. And like you said, Pratibha, this is not the first attack on him. An assassination attempt was also made on Sukhbir Singh Badal at the entrance of the Golden Temple in Amritsar in 2024. Let's go across to Manoj for more on this. Manoj, 2024 के बाद अब 2026 में नांदेड़ में एक बार फिर से अटैक हुआ है सुखबीर सिंह बादल पर। फिलहाल उनको अस्पताल ले जाया गया है, लेकिन जैसा कि हम कह रहे हैं, ये पहली बार नहीं है कि उनके ऊपर इस तरह का कोई अटैक हुआ हो। तो अब जब जांच का दायरा बढ़ेगा तो उसमें ये भी देखने वाली बात होगी।
बिल्कुल, आपने ठीक कहा। इससे पहले भी गोल्डन टेम्पल में सुखबीर बादल पर हमला हो चुका है, बाकायदा उनके ऊपर गोली चलाई गई थी, लेकिन इस हमले में वो बाल बाल बच गए थे। और एक बार फिर से जब वो हुजूर साहिब पहुंचे थे, सुबह ही उन्होंने वहां दर्शन करने के लिए उनको जाना था, और जब वहां पहुंचे और उसके बाद बताया जा रहा है कि एक और जो गुरुद्वारा है माता साहिब गुरुद्वारा, जब वो वहां जा रहे थे उस दौरान उन पर हमला हुआ है। और शुरुआती जानकारी यही है कि एक निहंग ने उनके ऊपर कृपाण से हमला किया, जिसमें वो घायल हो गए हैं। लेकिन जानकारी मिल रही है कि गनीमत है कि बहुत ज्यादा गंभीर चोटें उनको नहीं आई है, लेकिन क्योंकि Z+ सिक्योरिटी सुखबीर बादल के पास है, Z+ सिक्योरिटी का कवर है, और एक बार उन पर पहले भी अटैक हो चुका है, लेकिन ऐसे में फिर से उन पर हमला हो जाना और किसी शख्स का इतने नजदीक उनके ऊपर पास पहुंच जाना और हमला करना, ये अपने आप में हैरान करता है।
जी, 2024 में जो हमलावर था उसको एक डिस्टेंस पर रोक दिया गया था मनोज, लेकिन 2026 की जहां तक हम बात कर रहे हैं, आज की तस्वीरें जो नांदेड़ से आ रही हैं उसमें उनको चोट आई है, वो घायल हुए हैं, हालांकि उन्हें अस्पताल ले जाया गया। स्टे ऑन विद अस मनोज, लेट मी इन फैक्ट गो अक्रॉस टू Rucha for more on that. We're playing out both the visuals of the attack that took place in 2024 in which Mr. Badal escaped unhurt, but when it comes to today's attack in Nanded, he has been injured, he's been rushed to the hospital, and Rucha's getting us more details on that. Yes, Rucha, over to you.
Well, as of the statement from the police is concerned and from the hospital, what we are learning is that these injuries are not very serious in nature. So that is a relief at this point, as we are also aware that this was not the first time where Mr. Badal was attacked. And this morning also, after taking blessings, even while he was already present inside the Gurudwara, this attempt was made. And several police officials were already present there. And and with my colleague just mentioning how he already has Z plus security, and with the
Interrupting you, we have RP Singh of the BJP joining us on the broadcast. Mr. RP Singh, attack on Sukhbir Singh Badal in Nanded. He's been taken to the hospital. No serious injuries, but this is a matter of grave concern. In 2024, he was attacked. He escaped unhurt. In 2026, once again an attempt.
Well, it's highly condemnable, and in the democracy, any such attack on public figures or any such attack on anyone is not acceptable in the democracy. And I can have 10 political differences with anyone, but that doesn't lead to violence in the system. But we're hopeful that he recovers fast, and then the local police and the partners government will ensure that whoever is behind it or whoever has done it spontaneously is taken to
All right. All right. RP Singh ji, thank you very much for speaking with us. We have Bikram Singh Majitia joining us on the broadcast. An unfortunate incident reported. Mr. Sukhbir Singh Badal was attacked in Nanded. He's been rushed to the hospital.
Hello.
Can you hear me, Mr. Majitia?
Yes.
Well, there has been an unfortunate incident. Mr. Badal was attacked while he was in Nanded. He's been rushed to the hospital now. He's been taken to a private hospital. Now, we are all being reminded of how he was also attacked in 2024. Back then, he escaped unhurt.
It's a very sad incident, ji. God's been very, very kind. As a humble guru, as a guru, the Sikh, you go to a Gurdwara Sahib to get the blessings and go there with all humility. And when you go to a Guru Ghar, we go and pray for the entire humankind. We go and pray for Sarbat da Pala, that we wish everybody well. Why would somebody do this in a Gurdwara Sahib? I don't even consider them Guru Nanak Naam Leva Sangat. So, and it's happened for the second time. And I always say this, had the first incident been investigated properly, today's incident wouldn't have happened. And if today's incident and the first incident is not investigated, another incident can happen. And, even the last time when it happened, Narayan Singh Chauda is the person's name. He is an ISI-trained fellow, been in prison for a long time. Punjab police has a long dossier on him. And he was hobnobbing with an SP called Harpal Randhawa. And there is a police commissioner by the name of Gurpreet Pullar, who we informed that your SP did all this, but he didn't do anything. Had the SP been investigated, then that why were you talking and hobnobbing with an ISI-backed fellow? Maybe today's incident wouldn't have happened. But somebody who's doing this in a Gurdwara Sahib, I don't even consider him a Sikh because these are not the teachings of the Guru. When you go to a Gurdwara Sahib, you go
leveling some grave allegations. Yes, you're leveling some grave allegations. The incident that happened in 2024.
I am strongly stand by my allegations, and I made these allegations in 2024. I'm sorry it became a news for 2-3 days, and after that. And it wasn't investigated.
That's why I want to just come in
further.
very quickly because I have a follow-up question for you. Now, the attack that happened in 2024 also happened outside the Golden Temple. And you're saying, is this what you're suggesting, that there's a grave security threat which is being ignored deliberately?
Yes, I'm saying that. Today also it happened outside the Gurdwara Sahib. And you cannot look at a person by what clothes he wears and the way he looks. You have to look at the sinister design behind it. Because Sukhbir Singh Badal, Harsimrat Kaur Badal, Prakash Singh Badal, Shiromani Akali Dal represents the moderate voice. We don't believe in the hardliner thought process, and there are some forces who want us out of the way. And that's why he's been attacked again and again. And had the Punjab police or any other agency investigated the matter, we had asked for a CBI inquiry because the Punjab police under Bhagwant Mann didn't want to investigate the Harmandir Sahib attack in 24 because their police involvement would have come out. And that is why, had that been investigated, today's wouldn't have happened. And if today's is also not investigated, it may happen again. And it's such a sad story
What
that when
makes
you
you say?
go to
What makes you say, Mr. Majithia, that this investigation will not go in the right direction? The attacker has been detained. Perhaps in the interrogation, more details will come out.
So I am not saying that today's investigation will not go. The last investigation was not investigated properly, the last incident. I'm trying to say that it needs serious investigation. Who are the people behind it? And because when you go to a Gurdwara Sahib, you go there as a humble Sikh. And he was with his family, with his kids. Can you imagine someone going to a place of worship and getting attacked? That these are not the teachings of the Guru. So there is a design, there is an agenda to finish him off. He's lucky to have survived the second assassination on him. How many times will he be lucky? God's been very, very kind. But the government of India and the government of Maharashtra needs to look at the intelligence failure, needs to beef up his family's security, and needs to ensure that it doesn't happen again. And the role of Punjab police cops, Harpal Singh Randhawa, who was hobnobbing with an ISI agent, there's a full dossier on him, should also be investigated. A lot of more things will come tumbling out.
Okay. So you're saying there are a lot of loopholes as far as... Okay, I think we've lost that line with Bikram Singh Majithia, Akali, the leader, who says that there is a security threat, a grave security threat, which is being ignored. He's also questioning the role of Punjab police as far as the last attack that took place on Mr. Badal in 2024 is concerned. He said that case was not investigated properly and now another attack has happened. Let's go back to our reporters. Manoj and Rucha continue to be with us on the broadcast. Manoj, जो जानकारी आ रही है, हमलावर जिसको डिटेन किया गया वो एक निहंग है और उसी गुरुद्वारे को बिलोंग करता है। मजीठिया जी कह रहे हैं 2024 में इन्वेस्टिगेशन ठीक से हुई नहीं, सिक्योरिटी थ्रेट रहा है जिसको जानबूझ करके इग्नोर करने की कोशिश की गई। पंजाब पुलिस के रोल पर वो सवाल उठा रहे हैं। ये भी कह रहे हैं कि उस वक्त अगर इन्वेस्टिगेशन ठीक से हो जाती तो ये अटैक नहीं होता शायद। मनोज, इफ यू कैन हियर मी, गो अहेड।
जी बिल्कुल। विक्रम मजीठिया लगातार इस मुद्दे को उठाते रहे हैं और इस मामले में वो पंजाब पुलिस की भूमिका पर भी सवाल उठाते रहे हैं। और जैसा कि आज वो कह रहे थे कि अगर जांच हो जाती इसकी गहराई से तो आज की घटना नहीं होती। लेकिन बड़ा सवाल ये है कि क्या जो नांदेड़ साहिब में घटना हुई है उसका कोई लिंक है जो गोल्डन टेम्पल में हुआ उस घटना से, और क्या इसके पीछे कोई साजिश है या ये सिर्फ एक गुस्सा है जो जिसके चलते घटना हुई है। तो कई सवाल हैं जिनके जवाब दे रहे हैं। पहली बात तो यही पुलिस पता लगाएगी कि क्या इसका पिछली घटना से कोई लिंक है और क्या इसके पीछे कोई साजिश से कोई इसको सुनियोजित तरीके से हमले करवा रहा है। लेकिन सुखबीर सिंह बादल पर इस तरीके से हमला होना अपने आप में बहुत हैरान करने वाली बात है। और उस लिहाज से ये बात और ज्यादा गंभीर हो जाती है जब उन पर एक हमला पहले जानलेवा हमला हो चुका है, बकायदा गोली उनके ऊपर चलाई गई थी। अब जो कृपाण है उससे हमला किया गया है, लेकिन इस बार वो घायल हुए हैं। पिछली घटना में वो बाल बच गए थे, लेकिन इस बार घायल हुए। लेकिन जानकारी आ रही है कि बहुत गंभीर चोटें नहीं आई है, लेकिन उन पर हमला होना, घायल भी होना, ये अपने आप में एक बड़ी बात है, हैरान करने वाली बात है। और जेड प्लस सिक्योरिटी में जो सुरक्षित हो, जिसको कवर दिया गया हो, उस तक ये हमला पहुंच जाना ये अपने आप में और हैरान करने वाला है। जी।
Let me go across to Rucha as well. Rucha, what are you picking up now? What is the status of Mr. Badal? He's been taken to a private hospital for treatment.
The hospital we are learning is named as Yasho Sai Hospital, where the doctors have confirmed just now that both Mr. Badal and the police official Santosh Kendre, who were admitted, are now in better shape. No serious injuries have been reported as per the information coming from the hospital, from the official sources. And what we are learning about the attack, one person has been detained in this entire scenario, since police officials were already present there with the Z security and with the Maharashtra police personnel already being present there. The attacker was immediately caught right there after the attack, and he made an attempt using kirpan, is what we are learning from the sources of Nanded police. And that person was a Nihang. He was already working at Mata Sahib Gurudwara, so that will be investigated how long he was planning the attack. Were there any other people also working from the same Gurudwara, were part of the entire conspiracy, and what was the intent behind it will now be a part of investigation which the Nanded police have already initiated. But as of now, what we are learning from the hospital, Yashosai Hospital, where he has been taken to undergo the treatment, we are learning that his condition is completely stable and no serious injuries are reported. His right hand was injured in this attack. A kirpan was used while attacking him, and with fortunately the police officials already being present there, the situation was in control, and immediately he was rushed to the hospital. But one more person, one police official, a constable named Santosh Kendre, who was also attacked, who tried to save Badal from getting attacked. He has also sustained several injuries, but that he is also in stable condition is what we are learning. And this morning itself, if we talk precisely, about 4 hours ago, Sukhbir Singh Badal has shared a video on his social platforms while he was taking blessings. He was wearing the turban inside the this particular Gurudwara, and he can be seen along with his family members. His kids were present there, his wife was present there, and along with the security personnel present there, this attempt was made. So right after he took the blessings, right after he was coming out of the premises of Gurudwara, this attempt was made, and this person was not unaware about the locations or the entrances.
Rucha, stay on with us. We're getting some breaking inputs now. So like Rucha has been informing us, the attacker of Sukhbir Singh Badal has been detained. We have more details coming in on this particular news break. Police claim that a Nihang is behind the attack, and he's from the same Gurudwara. The cop that was deployed for special security has been attacked as well. The man who has been detained is a Nihang. He is also associated with the same Gurudwara. He allegedly used a kirpan to attack Sukhbir Singh Badal. The attacker has been identified by the police. The police have detained the man named Jaspal Singh. Let me in fact go across to Mr. Dhillon. Thank you very much for joining us, sir. If you can hear me, Keval Singh Dhillon, Punjab BJP head, joining us on the broadcast. Sukhbir Singh Badal was attacked in Nanded in a Gurudwara. The attacker has been detained. The interrogation currently continues. Now, the spotlight is not just on today's attack, but what happened in 2024 as well. We just spoke to Mr. Majithia, who says that the security threat to Mr. Badal and his family has deliberately been ignored. It happened in 2024. He says that has led to another attack in 2026. How do you look at this? Can you hear me, sir? केवल सिंह ढिल्लों, क्या आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं? अगर आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं तो मैं आपसे आपकी प्रतिक्रिया जानना चाह रही थी सुखबीर सिंह बादल पर जो अटैक नांदेड़ में हुआ है। जब हमने विक्रम सिंह मजीठिया जी से बात की तो उनका कहना है 2024 में भी ये हुआ था, अब 26 में दोबारा अटैक हुआ है। उनको जो सिक्योरिटी थ्रेट है उसको इग्नोर किया गया। पंजाब पुलिस के रोल पर भी वो सवाल उठा रहे हैं 2024 को लेकर। Okay, all right. Maybe Mr. Dhillon is not able to hear me. Let's go back to Rucha. More details coming in on the attacker who has been detained. His name is Jaspal Singh. We're given to understand that he's being questioned at the moment. The motive of this attack is something that the police officers, while interrogating him, are trying to get to know more about. Rucha.
Well, one comment is coming from the detained person who's named Jaspal Singh. He's saying while questioning, he was talking to police and he said that he just felt like doing it. That is the statement that he has given. No other motive or no other reasons he has posed. He only said that I just felt like doing it. And that is something that the police will now be investigated, because this is not a satisfactory reply. Why?
Okay, Rucha, sorry to interrupt you. We have Keval Singh Dhillon joining us again on the broadcast. He's Punjab BJP chief. Mr. Dhillon, अगर आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं, सुखबीर बादल पर अटैक हुआ है नांदेड़ में गुरुद्वारे में. अटैकर को डिटेन कर लिया गया है और उससे जब ये पूछा गया, ये नई ताजा जानकारी, जब पूछा गया कि उसने ऐसा क्यों किया, तो उसका कहना था he just felt like doing it. उसे ऐसा लगा कि वो ये अटैक कर सकता है. उसने ये बात कही है. फिलहाल ये जानकारी इस वक्त आ रही है. आपकी पहली प्रतिक्रिया? Okay, all right. There seems to be some problem in connecting with Mr. Dhillon. We're not able to get through. Let me go across to Rucha. She continues to be with us on the broadcast. More information coming in, Rucha, like you were saying. This is what the attacker has said during questioning, that he felt like doing so. The police clearly are not convinced with that answer coming in from the attacker.
Well, certainly the person who is detained is identified as Jaspal Singh, who is a worker or who is a Nihang from the Mata Sahib Gurudwara in Nanded. And during interrogation, he was questioned what was the motive behind attack, how many people he was associated with while making an attempt. And he has only replied with, I just felt like doing it. That is the only answer that he has given to the police, which is definitely not satisfactory. And that is why further interrogation, further investigation is also underway. Police are also looking into the CCTV footages, who all he met with before making that attempt, how many people he had contacted from past several days, whether he was only one who was planning it or whether there are other people also involved. If we talk about the history of attacks on Mr. Badal, is there any link that has led to this? That is the connection that the police will be establishing, and Maharashtra police has already acted on it, as there were already lots of police officials already present inside the Gurudwara, be it the Z plus security of Sukhbir Badal or the Maharashtra police. Additional special security was also provided considering him being present there. So immediately the person was caught right there after he made an attempt, and as per the sources are telling us, a kirpan was used which the Nihang was carrying with him. So Jaspal Singh, using the kirpan, had attacked Mr. Badal, and he has sustained several injuries on his right hand, which are not serious in nature, is what we are learning from the hospital. His condition is completely stable. During this attack, there were also the security personnel present there. One of the police constable of Maharashtra police was also attacked.
All right, Rucha, do stay on with us. We're getting more breaking inputs. Let me quickly tell our viewers about this new development. So we're given to understand that the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Mr. Devendra Fadnavis, has sought more details now. He's inquired about the incident, the attack on Mr. Sukhbir Singh Badal, former Deputy Chief Minister of Punjab. Let's go across to Paras. He's getting us more details. Paras, the Chief Minister has ordered probe. He's seeking more details related to the attack.
Rightly said, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, have now said that, and he has ordered the inquiry in this entire matter, because it's a very, very difficult thing which has happened today in Nanded, where Sukhbir Singh Badal was in Gurudwara, and over there was a Nihang Sikh who attacked while Badal was going out of the Gurudwara. In this entire matter, now what we are learning from the sources is that person, the attacker, has been detained and he has been questioned by the Nanded police. With that, Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, has also ordered the inquiry in this entire matter, because it's very much important, because Badal was having his security also inside the Gurudwara, and this type of situation happened. So this will be very important part of the investigation, what this whole thing happened, when this whole thing was planned, because what we have learned from the sources is that the attacker has said to the police that he felt like doing it. That's why he did. So there are many pros and cons in this entire situation. There are many things which have to be come out, and that's why Nanded police is investigating this attacker who has attacked
Right, a
Badal.
bizarre reasoning and a bizarre answer that has come in from the attacker, who, upon being asked what is the motive of the attack, says that I felt like doing so. Let me go across to Rucha as well. Rucha, clearly the Chief Minister of Maharashtra keeping a very close watch on these developments. He's spoken to the SP of Nanded. He's also ordered an inquiry.
Well, the Chief Minister has ordered inquiry in this matter because it is extremely dangerous how the attempt was made in Maharashtra's Nanded, and the CM has taken action on the same and has ordered inquiry in the same. But the investigation is already underway, as we are aware that there were a lot of police officials already present there in the premises of Gurudwara. Additional security was also provided for Sukhbir Singh Badal, and with his Z+ security being present there, this attempt was made. So it is now the part of the investigation about what was the intent behind the attack, as the attacker Jaspal Singh, who is now detained by Nanded police, is only saying that I felt like doing it, and that is why he has attacked. That's the only statement that he has given to the police. The police are even now interrogating him. He was caught right there after the attack, and Mr. Badal was immediately rushed to the nearest hospital, Yashosai Hospital, where he is currently taking treatment. And in one of the videos, we are seeing that his hand is covered in blood, and that is being wrapped with using a cloth, and that is the only injury that is reported as per the
the attacker has been detained, is being questioned at the moment as we speak. Rucha and Paras, thank you for getting us the details. We'll connect with you again for more updates. For the moment, a quick break on the broadcast.